So welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to do a unboxing video slash try on and slash giving you a few tips as well. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This really means a lot to me, right? So so by now a lot of you have noticed that I really love to shop from this website called Shein, and there's a couple of reasons why I've been going back and back again to shop from there. So so today I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to shop from the website very safely and wisely. So first of all, the main reason why I shop from that website is because most of their products are very affordable. So I mean, like a few of them are a little bit expensive, but not too expensive. So but the good tip is that if you see something that you like, just click on it and scroll down. You'll be surprised that there is something similar. There is the price is less than what you're looking at. So that's another tip. Always scroll down if you see something that you like, and the website is very friendly. They will show you similar items, and some of them will be a different price, or maybe a different color will be a different price. So that's one tip for you. And another thing why I like shopping from this website is because the delivery doesn't take too long. I think they have warehouses in Europe, so roughly it takes about a week and a few days, which is not bad compared to the fact that we are on lockdown. So that is really good. And if you spend, I think, more than £35, you get a free delivery, which is not bad. You know, compared to the fact that you've spent over maybe £100, but you know, that free delivery makes a big difference. So, and free returns up to 60 days, which is also good because being an online website, there is room for error, and sometimes what you see is not what you get. And that comes to my other tip, that if you see an item that you like, go through the reviews from other people who have bought the same items, and usually they have the pictures as well, so it gives you that visualization of how it's going to look like on you and how it looks like on them, because sometimes it won't look as what you are thinking. So it's very advisable to look at the pictures that other people have said and their reviews, and then make a decision from there. You also get points for every item that you buy. So your next purchase, you can add the points to your basket, and then you get a discount. Last but not least is that they all have all sizes and plus size, and but then one more thing that I wanted to say to you is that sometimes I think the sizes are not true to size, so it would be safer to go for one size up your size. So if you're a small, if your size is always a smaller size, so go for the medium size. So I think they only have like small, medium and large, so they don't have like size 12, size 8, size 14. So if you're small size, obviously maybe you're around size 8, size 10, and if you're medium, maybe you're around 14, so on and so forth. And a couple of times I've also gone for the large size, and that's mainly if I wanted something which is like free and not showing too much curves on me. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got recently, and most of them are warm clothing. So as you all know, it's very cold here in England, and I've just been shopping for some warm wear, and even if I don't wear them now, I know I'll wear them next time. So I'd rather go for buy them when they are cheaper and then keep them and then wear them next time. Let me show you what I got, and enjoy the video. I hope it's going to be helpful in some way or the other. Let's do this. So first and foremost, I have got some shoes here. These are boots. The packaging, as you see, the boxes are quite small, so they're not huge packages. Meant to be boots, but they're more like socks. Very tight, and it's got an elastic band here, and they feel very warm. They're just like socks, and the bottom bit has got like sequins. See, that's how they look on the video. I just didn't want something boring. I wanted some, it's got a bit of details, glitter. You can see sparkles. So the packaging looks like this, and comes with a big logo on it. So they are very well packaged and sealed. So the first one that I got was, so I have this one here. And to be honest, it looks exactly how it looks on the website. So that's how it looks on the website, and it looks the same to me. Yeah, I am not disappointed at all, and that's how it looks on me. So I'm actually not disappointed at all. The quality is good. I cannot fault it at all. I cannot fault it at all. It looks exactly how I visualized it to look. This one here is a dress. And I ordered a size medium. This is the only dress that I got. Very beautiful. When I took it out of the bag, I was thinking, wow, that's big. Is it gonna fit me? And now that I've tried it, it actually fits quite well. And this is the medium size. So it just proves to you that it's very, very safe to go for the one size up. My mom would be very impressed with me if I wore this one. She said, yeah, it's a good dress. Very nice, because it's very long as well. So I'm actually impressed with the quality of the material. It's not bad at all. Very, very good. This one is very light, very lightweight. It's not very heavy. It feels very much like a dress, and fitting. I wasn't expecting this at all, but it fits quite well. This is another one that is very good quality. Only thing I would say as well with this one is to hand wash. If you run it through the machine, I think the color will just wash out, will fade off a little bit. So this one is quite fitting, like a dress. This is not to be expected. I wasn't expecting it to be like this at all. I thought there wasn't gonna be any shape coming with it, but actually it's fitting quite well. It's more like a dress, but what I can say is that I think you should hand wash because the woolen needs a gentle care. It's not that strong, and I think the color will fade off if you run it through the washing machine. It's a beautiful sweater dress. You can see. So I bought this one as well. I will not fault it, the material looks very good. Okay. I also bought some lingerie. I'll try them on. So be careful when you're buying the ones with the strings on the side. They can be a little bit loose if you haven't got big boobies. So you have to be careful sometimes. I think with the lingerie, just go for your size. Don't go for something bigger. It's gonna look pretty on. When it comes to jackets or wrap rounds or kimonos, go for your size. So very nice, very stylish. I just love the detail. That's the one I got. I'm not a huge fan of this thing here, this jacket. I'm not a huge fan of this jacket. First of all, I don't like the smell. It smells very fishy, and it looks very cheap. So out of everything that I got, I think I'm going to return this one. To be honest with you, I haven't returned anything since, so this is going to be my first time returning anything. They have written on the return form that you're not supposed to send it to where it came from. So I'm gonna check what's the return procedures like, because this one is going back. This one is going back. I don't like it at all. At all. I really don't like it. It looks very cheap to begin with. The quality of the material is a bit, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And it smells really bad. Yuck. So this one on the other hand is quite thick and heavy and feels very, very warm. The quality is good as well. I'm not sure about this color, and to make it looking good forever, hand wash. Yeah, you got to hand wash, otherwise I have a problem with running this woolen stuff on the washing machine, because I find that the color sometimes goes a bit off. So my advice would just be to hand wash all your woolen clothing. So this is another one. Looks exactly like it was on the website. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. It's free. You're not going to pay anything to subscribe to my channel or anybody else's channel. So it's just about liking the video, making some comments, and sharing the videos. Okay, that's the only way you support me. All right, you're not going to pay anything to subscribe. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. Bye bye for now.